This is a fragrance that's refreshing and invigorating, yet ultimately powerful and enduring. Let's find out more about the ingredients featured in this composition. One of our favorite orchids in bloom, this flower is as beautiful as its name is, capturing our hearts with not only its appearance, but its lovely fragrance as well. Perfumes and aromatherapy are essentially known as two different things, but we have combined both to create the best of both worlds. Our fragrances are infused with therapeutic orchids to imbue a sense of calm and serenity. Now let's learn about some of their medicinal and herbal usage. In traditional Chinese medicine, the stems of this orchid are used in strengthening the lungs, stopping bleeding, and reducing swelling. It is also utilized to treat patients suffering from tuberculosis cough and stomach ulcers. Studies have shown that this orchid contains compounds that display antimicrobial effects on bacteria causing skin infections and dental decay. This therapeutic orchid has been listed in a World Health Organization publication of medicinal plants of China as a healing herb, which goes to show its amazing medicinal abilities. Chinese herbal texts have stated that this orchid benefits the stomach, encourages secretion of body fluids, and reinforces the yin element. It is also used to alleviate dehydration and improve poor vision. In Japan, this herb is used as a remedy for fever and nausea, while Koreans use it to treat night sweats. A bouquet of flowers always smells much lovelier than a single flower. Similarly, our fragrances are interestingly complex and extract, with a myriad of scent notes combined to form a beautiful, harmonious olfactory profile. Aside from the orchid scents, Oriental 10 is orchestrated with a blend of diverse scent notes that makes up an amazingly refreshing scent with several woody and spicy hues. The lively introduction of aqua, spearmint, and bergamot deliver cheer, brightness, and refreshment to the fragrance, making a joyful and sparkling statement. Lastly, base notes of oud, oak, and musk refine the fragrance by enhancing the depth and warmth, balancing out the fruity aquatic nuances. The usual potent oud scent is downplayed in this composition to be less distinct, making it suitable for daily wear, while providing a unique and exotic edge. On the other hand, oak and musk add a long-lasting and lingering powdery, musky tone. And there you have it, a captivating and enthralling scent of fresh, spicy tones. This fragrance takes an ode to men's spirit and their courage in choosing their own destiny.